Okay, for this question, they gave us the volume of the sphere, and they're asking us to find the radius. So, again, write the formula. Volume equals 4/3 pi r cubed, right? And then substitute in what we know, 113.04 equals 4/3 pi r cubed, right? Now for this, it does not say to do so. Oh, wait, so it says write and solve an equation. So there's an equation, right? So that's the first part. We're done. There's the equation. And then solve, we kind of have to use decimal values for pi to do this, right? Unless we want everything left in terms of pi. So we multiply both sides by 3/4, right? So it's 3/4 times 113.04 equals 3/4 times 4/3 pi r cubed. So 3 times 113.04, 113.04 times 3 equals, divided by 4, comes out to be 84.78. 84.78 equals pi r cubed. Now I'm going to divide both sides by pi, right? By pi. And divided by 3.14. And I get 27, right? And I'm using 3.14 for pi. If this were a test, I would state up here, right? I would state up here that use 3.14 for pi. So 27 equals r cubed. And then we're looking for the cubed root of 27, right? To equal r. So the cube root of 27 is 3, so I'll come up here, right? R equals 3, and the answer would be in feet, right? 3 feet. And we're done.